Demand and supply are two basic concepts in the economy that are used to explain how the price and quantity of goods or services are determined in the market. The demand and supply function describe the relationship between price and the quantity demanded or supplied by consumer and producer. The demand function shows the amount of goods or services that consumer will buy at first price level. In general, demand function tend to decrease as price increase and increase as prices decrease. This is caused by consumer behavior, which tends to want to buy more goods at lower prices and less at higher prices. The supply function should know the quantity of goods or services that producer will offer at very cost price level. In general, the supply function tends to increase as price increase and increase as price decreases. This is due to the manufacturer desire to higher profits by increasing sales or production at higher prices. Equilibrium between demand and supply occurs when the quantity demand equals the quantity supplied, resulting in the equilibrium price. At this point, the market is equilibrium and there is tendency for price or quantity to change. However, if there is a change in the factor that influence demand or supply, there will be a shift in demand or supply function, which can cause a change in the equilibrium price and quantity. Demand and supply function can be useful in forecasting or analyzing how change in the market will affect price and quantity. In economic analysis, factors such as consumer income, price of substitute goods, consumer preference, production cost, technology, and government policy also need to be considered in understanding and modeling demand and supply function. Change in demand and supply function can be triggered by several factors, such as 1. Price change. Demand usually decreases when prices rise, while supply increases when prices rise. Conversely, demand increases when prices fall, while supply decreases when prices fall. 2. Change in income. In consumer income increases, demand tends to decrease because people have higher purchasing power. Conversely, in consumer income decreases, demand tends to decrease. 3. Change in consumer preference. If consumer preferences change, demand for a particular good or service might increase or decrease. 4. Change in the price of the substitute goods. If the price of a substitute good increase, demand for that good tends to increase, while demand for more expensive substitute goods might fall. 5. Change in other factors such as technology, government policy, demographic change, and other factors can also influence demand and supply. All of these factors can give or change in the demand and supply function. Identifying these factors and understanding how they influence demand and supply is essential in economic analysis and business decision making. The demand functions know the quantity of goods or services that consumer will buy at various price level, while the supply function know the quantity of goods or services that producer will offer at various price level. The demand function usually shows a negative relationship between the price of a goods and the quantity demanded. In another sense, the higher the price of a good, the lower the quantity demanded, and vice versa. Factors that influence demand include the price of substitute goods and consumer income, consumer preference, and other factors. The supply function, on the other hand, is now a positive relationship between the price of a goods and the quantity supplied. The higher the price of a good, the higher the quantity supplied, and vice versa. Factors that influence supply include production costs, technology, government policy, and other factors. In market equilibrium, price, demand, and supply function are two important concepts in economics. They are used to explain the relationship between price and the quantity of goods or services demanded and offered. The cost function, the demand function, describes the relationship between the price of goods or service and the quantity of the good or service demanded by consumer at the price. The demand function is generally expressed in the form a mathematical equation. For example, QD sama dengan BP, where QD is the quantity of goods or service demanded at price P, and B are constant. So how sensitive the quantity of goods or service demanded is to change in the price. Over function. The supply function describes the relationship between the price of goods or service and the quantity of the good or service offered by producer at that price. The supply function is generally expressed in the form mathematical equation. For example, QS sama dengan C plus DP, where Q is in the quantity of goods or services offered at price P, C and D are constant. The indices how sensitive the quantity of goods or services offered is to change in price. Relationship between demand and supply. The relationship between demand and supply can be described in terms of demand curve and supply curve. Typically, the demand curve shows an inverse relationship between price and the quantity of a good or service demanded, while the supply curve shows a positive relationship between price and the quantity of a good or service supplied. The equilibrium point between demand and supply is determined by the point where the demand curve and supply curve intersect. At this point, the price and quantity, the good or service demanded and supplied are in balance, and there is no pressure for price change. If the current price above the equilibrium point, demand will fall and supply will increase, causing the price back up to the equilibrium point. Conversely, if the current price is below the equilibrium point, demand will increase and supply will fall, causing the price back to equilibrium point. These demand and supply functions are important for economic analysis as they help in understanding the forecast, the price and quantity of goods or services in the market. By understanding how demand and supply interact, government and business can make informed decisions about the production, distribution, and pricing of goods or